Hello everyone. So 24 hours have passed and now we're going to take our specimens and then we're going to demold them and start the test. So now we're going to start demolding the cylinder. So this is the cylinder, the concrete is here, this is the mold, and the mold has a hole at the bottom. And then we're going to be using an air compressor to compress the concrete and push the concrete out of the mold. So as you can see, the air is pressing against the concrete and the mold slowly came out. So now we have our concrete cylinder demolded and ready for test. So now we're going to demold our beam. So I've already unscrewed some of the screws. So let's show you how to do it with one of them. So there's one screw at the bottom here. So as you can see, the beam is now demolded. And also ready for test. So after we demolded our cylinders and beams, we put them in the curing room and left them there for 28 days. And now the 28 days are over and it's time to test. However, for the cylinders, as you can see, the top and bottom are not as smooth. So we need a smooth surface for the cylinders in order to test them. So before we test them, we need to grind them. So this is the grinding machine, and this will make our surfaces smooth. So we insert all three cylinders. So now we secured our cylinders, and now we're going to start the grinding procedure. So there is a blade inside the machine, and there's also a water source. So the concrete is going to be exposed to water in a rotating blade, and that's going to smoothen our concrete. So now we'll start the machine, and then we're going to slowly bring our cylinders in close contact with the blade. Now the wheel is slowly rotating, means that it's bringing the cylinders in close contact with the blade while it's being grinded. So now the grinding is over, so we're going to remove our cylinders. So as you can see, the surface is now grinded and it's wet because there was a water source while grinding, and we grinded both the bottom and the top of our cylinders. And now we're going to use the cylinder to conduct some non-destructive tests first, and then we're going to conduct our compressive strength test after that.